Hello, my dear children. I welcome you all to my session. Today I am going to take 7th class English Unit 1 A reading The Town Mouse and the Country Mouse.
Now, children, in the previous class or part 1, we were discussing about the town mouse and the country mouse. And here we are noticing the different living lifestyle of town mouse and country mouse. Now, in the last class, the country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said the town mouse to sleep there. Okay. Now, see the expressions of the town mouse. On the ground, asked the town mouse. Do I have to sleep on the ground? Yes, this is how we sleep in the country. His cousin replied. Who is his cousin? The country mouse. Here, the town mouse has to sleep on the hard, cold ground without bedsheet, without bed and no pillow, simply on the hard ground. As the town mouse lay down on the hard, cold ground, he suddenly thought of something. Cousin, he called out. Suddenly, he thought something and he called his cousin. Here, who called? The town mouse called to the country mouse. Yes, what is it? The country mouse asked. Why is it so quiet here? Where are all the cars and lorries? Where are the radios and the televisions? Where are all the lights? So, as the town mouse felt very calm and quiet, he asked his country mouse, where are all the cars, lorries, radios and televisions and even all the lights? Asked the town mouse to the country mouse. Now this is how it is in the country, his cousin replied. The country mouse replied that this is the situation of the country. The country, means village, is always quiet and calm. And it's always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. So children, have you observed here that we have degree of comparisons also? Here the word quiet indicate the positive degree, quieter indicate comparative degree and quietest indicate superlative degrees. So I will explain you about this degree of comparison later, children. Now coming back to our paragraph. Oh, is it? The country is a strange place, said the town mouse. So strange means here unusual or surprising place. But he said to himself, I don't think I like this place. He didn't like the place. Who didn't like the place? The town mouse didn't like the place. Next morning, the town mouse found that there was no breakfast ready. His cousin told him that they had to go to the nearby farm in search of food. So, next morning, what the town mouse found that? There was no breakfast. So, his cousin, the country mouse, said that they both have to go to nearby farm in search of food. Okay, children? We are sure to find something there, he said. A nice piece of root or tender bit of sugarcane. Here he means the country mouse said to the town mouse that if they go to the nearby farm, they can get good food, that is a piece of root or tender bit of sugarcane. Okay, but the town mouse had enough. Here the word enough indicates that he can't bear any more. He was not happy. He was not getting whatever he liked, that cool water, good food and he was not able to sleep properly. Okay. Thank you, cousin, he said, but I think I will catch the next train home. I have suddenly remembered that I have forgotten something. So as he was not happy in the village, so he want to move from the village. So for this, he has said the reason that he have forgotten something. So a few days later, the country mouse wrote to his cousin, the town mouse. Here is the letter. Here, as the country mouse was very eager to know about the town mouse, whether he was alright or no. So, for that, he would like to visit the town. So, for this, he wrote a letter to his cousin. So, here is the sample letter, children. Observe it carefully. Mouse Hole, Mouse Country, 22nd March 2012. My dear cousin, I hope you are well. I am worried about you. I would like to visit you and make sure you are all right. With love, your cousin, Country Mouse, to Town Mouse, Kitchen Cupboard, Mouse Town. The town mouse received the letter and read it. Since he was in a hurry, he sent a telegram to the country mouse. Here is his telegram. So children, here the town mouse received letter from the country mouse. So after receiving the letter, the town mouse was very happy. So he sent a telegram immediately to the country mouse. Here is the format of telegram. Overjoyed, come soon, town mouse. Few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. He was surprised by the noise and the lights. Why are there lights even in the middle of the night? He asked. This is the town, his cousin replied. Here there are lights even in the middle of the day. And what is this dreadful noise that never stops? Asked the country mouse. This is the traffic, the town mouse replied. That is the noise made by buses, lorries, cars and aeroplane. Now children, after few days later, the country mouse arrived in the town. So he was very much surprised by the noise made by the buses, lorries, cars and aeroplane. And even he was very much surprised by the lights even in the middle of the night as well as in the middle of the day. Okay children? Now coming to the para. But the country mouse did not like it at all. All this noise has made my headache, he said. Could I have some water to drink? Here children, the country mouse first time arrived the town. So as we know that countryside, that in a village side, the weather is very calm and quiet. But here in the town, it was full of noise made by vehicles. So this noise has made the country mouse to get headache. So he said that, could I have some water to drink? He asked his town mouse. Why only water? Said the town mouse. Look at what there is for you. Ice cold lemonade, orange juice. Which one do you want? Just some water, answered the country mouse. Some water and a little bit of food. As the country mouse is not having the habit of taking ice cold lemonade or orange juice, simply he asked that he want only some water and a little bit of food to eat.